While Paul takes care of the energy efficiency aspects of the design, Lisa should also take advantage of that beautiful Queensland sun by making her own energy. Down here on the central coast of New South Wales, that's exactly what I did when I was renovating my own home, with solar a must-have feature. I've invited Roshan from Energy Matters on a tour of my recently finished home to talk rising energy bills, solar technology, and of course, mid-century modern inspired design. Welcome to Umina Springs. Rosh, great to see you, mate.
Likewise.
Now, there's a reason I called you here. We're dealing with Lisa's house. There's a certain vibe that she's got. It's a lot of fun. It's that mid-century look. And of course, she's looking for solar panels and to make the house energy efficient. It made me think instantly of what we've done here. It was a massive job. It was an ugly house that we have transformed. It's got my take on that mid-century modern vibe, definitely a Palm Springs influence. But we've also got amazing solar panels on here, giving us 10.5 kilowatts. It's very low profile, meaning from the front here you hardly see it, but it fits perfectly with the style of architecture we wanted. We've got a good looking house that's going to be cheap to run because we're getting all of the power from the sun. So that's why you're here, mate.
Well, I can't wait to see what's beyond that yellow door.
Come on in, mate. So I admit to being a little bit biased here, mate. I think we've created a beautiful facade, but now you're inside. What do you think?
Look, everything I expected and more. I mean, wow. It really has personality and it feels so cozy. I mean, how did you pull that off?
It was about working with the architecture, and it's nice that you use those words, but I actually deal with my clients making really large, high-end homes, and this is not a large home. It's 3-bedroom. And there's lots of these around the country, these ugly red brick houses, but they've got a functional floor plan.
I love your choice of colour.
We've got quite a subdued colour palette here, so I love colour. The house is essentially a white on white scheme, so all the walls are white and the skirting and architrave are the same. But we knew we wanted some punches of colour. I've got all these plans printed off for Lisa's home. There's a lot of parallels between our house and hers, even though her take on mid-century modern is quite quirky. I think she's a bit more fun than even I am. The profile on her roof has got a very flat roof. Now, she's almost got a perfect roof for solar because it's so flat. Not all roofs are like this. Our roof has dealt with it in a very clever way because of the great product.
And you've actually chosen the perfect panel as well. I mean, big and low profile, it looks beautiful anyway, but that LONGi solar panel is stunning. You've gone all black, which you know I'm a big fan of.
Yeah.
So fundamentally, you couldn't have done any better. What I love most about the panel, apart from the aesthetics, is the efficiency. The way you've taken advantage of those 3 different roof faces is perfect. Capturing the sun on 3 different times of the day, but most importantly, the LONGi solar panel is designed to do exactly that. It uses what's called PERC technology, which essentially means there's a reflective surface on the bottom of the panel, which will allow more rays to be thrown over that panel, creating more electricity.
These solar panels that I've got, I can see why they work for my job. I'm hoping that they work really well for her project as well.
The LONGi solar panels are ideal for the looks, but also for the efficiency and for the production of electricity. So I certainly would be recommending them for this particular property.